be imperfect. Imperfect videos that are raw, like this one, where I'm just talking totally unscripted. It's doing a lot better. Now, I used to make videos where I was planning everything, and I didn't script it though, but these videos where I'm just talking and on the top of my head, from the top of my head or whatever, and making mistakes like this is unique content, and it's raw and unedited, and people like this a lot more. It's like a reality TV, right? And also, you can also use this style of content for ads. Well, you can use some cuts and make it a little bit more interesting rather than just like me talking like this all the time. But make it raw and make it unique, and don't try to be perfect, because nobody's perfect. Being perfect makes you unrelatable. When you are unperfect, make mistakes, that makes you a lot more relatable. And yeah, that's what we all like. We like to watch people who are people and not robots, right? Follow me for more.